हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप you all are healthy, wealthy and wise. First of all, I would like to welcome on my YouTube channel English with Samsad, and I request you all please subscribe and endorse my channel. Then I will make more and more video for you all. So today I am here with new topic, new video, and this is very important in terms of English literature and language. So today we will experience in this session, in this video, what is literature and forms of literature, and thereafter we will experience what is poetry and forms of poetry. Different types of poetry we will experience in this short video. So let's get started. First we will study what is literature. So literature is the body of written or oral works of different authors and poets in the English language. It includes poetry, prose and drama. It means to say literature जो है वो written और oral वर्क्स होता है डिफरेंट ऑथर और पोइट्स के द्वारा जो एक्सपीरियंस किया जाता है और जो उन लोगों ने लिखा होता है, दैट इज़ लिटरेचर. वी विल कम टू नो फॉर्म्स ऑफ लिटरेचर. ओके, सो बेसिकली देर आर 3 फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. वी विल स्टडी इंग्लिश लिटरेचर ऑल राउंड under the 3 forms: prose, poetry and drama. It means to say English literature is primarily divided into 3 forms: prose, poetry and drama. It is classified into 3 categories, 3 forms: prose, poetry and drama. We will study forms of poetry, forms of drama and forms of prose. It means to say इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में हम लोगों को 3 फॉर्म्स पढ़ना होता है. फर्स्ट वन इज़ पोइट्री, सेकेंड वन इज़ प्रोज और थर्ड वन इज़ ड्रामा. तो पोइट्री के अंदर डिफरेंट पोइट्स के हम लोग पोएम्स पढ़ते हैं. उसके बाद प्रोज में हम लोग डिफरेंट ऑथर्स, नॉवेलिस्ट के हम लोग प्रोज पढ़ते हैं. प्रोज के अंदर में नॉवेल आता है, प्रोज के अंदर में शॉर्ट स्टोरीज आता है, प्रोज के अंदर में नोवेला आता है और प्रोज के अंदर में ऐसे वगैरह भी आता है. ओके, और बायोग्राफी हो गया, ऑटोबायोग्राफी हो गया, नॉन फिक्शनल, फिक्शनल, ये सारी चीज़ें प्रोज के अंदर में आता है. ओके, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द ड्रामा, देन अंडर द ड्रामा देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ड्रामास. सो अंडर दिस कैटेगरी, दिस फॉर्म of literature, we will study different type of drama. Let's talk about the poetry. So first question is that what is poetry? Poetry किसे कहते हैं? Poetry is a form of literature that has aesthetic or rhythmic qualities of English language. If we talk about in general words or simple words, poetry is a collection of words that expresses emotion, feelings or thoughts through the different medium or style. We will have examples or different point of views according to different poets. So first of all we will take a very famous poet as an example from a romantic age of English literature, that is William Wordsworth. According to William Wordsworth, so William Wordsworth says poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. अकॉर्डिंग टू विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ कहते हैं पोइट्री इज़ दी स्पॉन्टेनियस ओवरफ्लो, मीन्स नेचुरल ओवरफ्लो ऑफ पावरफुल फीलिंग और पावरफुल इमोशन. एंड इट टेक्स its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. Tranquility means peace, shanti. We will have another example of Robert Frost, an American poet. According to Robert Frost, poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and thought has found its words. Let's take another example of P.B. Shelley, Percy Bysshe Shelley. So P.B. Shelley was also a great romantic poet. So according to P.B. Shelley, we will come to know what is poetry. Poetry is the record of best and happiest moments of the best and happiest minds. Let's take another example of Matthew Arnold, a great Victorian writer. Poetry is simply the most beautiful, impressive, widely effective, made of saying things, and hence its importance. I want to take once again one more example of P.B. Shelley, a great romantic poet. So according to P.B. Shelley, poetry is an expression of imagination. According to a great Greek philosopher Aristotle on definition of poetry. So he was a student of Plato and a teacher of Alexander the Great. So Aristotle says poetry is an art that imitates. It means to say poetry जो है वो एक आर्ट है जो कॉपी करता है, isn't it? He also says that poetry is mimetic or imitative, use of language, harmony, rhythm, separately or in combination. Now we will come to know forms of poetry. If we talk about forms of poetry or types of poetry, although there are over 50 different types of poetry in English literature, but we will focus on very famous or most important forms of poetry in this particular video, such as 6 or 7 forms of poetry in English literature. First one is epic poem, second one is lyric poem, third one is ballad, fourth one is ode, fifth one is elegy, sixth one is sonnet, and seventh one is haiku. These are the most important examples of forms of poetry in English literature. So very shortly I want to tell you what is these 7 or 6 forms of poetry. So first one is epic poem. Epic poem, you know, it is a very long or narrative poem in English literature. For example, Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Iliad, which is written by Homer. Okay. The second one is lyric poem. Lyric poem is a kind of personal expression of personal feelings, okay, which is spoken by first person, just like a song, okay, that is lyric poem. The third one is ballad. So ballad is basically a folk song or dance song which is sung by different people, and which is set to the music, and ballad narrates stories, different stories, that is ballad. Next one is ode. Ode is a form of poetry in which poet praises or glorifies an event or someone. In the ode poem also poet describes about natural beauties. Next one is elegy. In elegy poem, poet laments of someone's loss or someone's death. It means to say किसी के मर जाने पे, किसी खास और क्लोज रिलेटिव और फ्रेंड और व्यक्ति को खो देने से पोइट जो है लेमेंट करता है, मॉर्निंग करता है, शोक व्यक्त करता है. दैट इज़ एलिजी पोएम. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट in English literature, that is sonnet. Sonnet is a 14 lines poem, and there are 2 or 3 types of sonnets: Shakespearean sonnets, Petrarchan sonnets, okay, Miltonic sonnets. So sonnet is 14 lines poem. Next one is haiku poem. Haiku is a poem of Japan. Okay, in this particular poem we will study about 3 lines poem. Okay, it is called 3 lines poem. The first line contains 5 syllables, second line contains 7 syllables, or third line contains again 5 syllables. That is haiku poem. Okay. So these are forms of poetry. I hope you have understood what is literature, what is poetry, forms of literature or forms of or types of poetry. Enjoy this important video, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, and if you have any comments, please text in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I hope you have understood what objective in this video has. So I request you all, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and I need your endorsement, your support. Then I will upload different topic in English language and literature. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.